how to share screen with sound on Google Meet. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here and go into meet.google.com. And then once you're now here, you will be in this page. Now what we're going to do next is to just create a new meeting. So just go here and click start an instant meeting so that we will be redirected into this page, which is our meeting. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click the share screen, which is right here. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see this. So you can share your tab, your window, or your entire screen. To share an audio, you can go here on the tab, and then in this part, you will see that you can share this with a tab audio. So if it is turned off, make sure that it is turned on so that you can share your audio. And then once you're now here on the window and entire screen, then unfortunately, you can't do that because that is only available in tab. So just go here in tab and make sure that it is turned on, and then you can now click the share screen. And then that is basically it. You can now share your screen with audio in Google Meet. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to share screen with sounds in Google Meet.